Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it, don't you wait.
Of course, Simon Megan is interested to go to theater.
Esquece jogar aqui nisso.
Long, what's the name of the street here? Should be Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame. Commercial Court of Zimbabwe. Now we got the Commercial Court of Zimbabwe, yeah? I'm crossing Nelson Mandela Street. Going towards African Union School. Nelson Mandela Patrice Lumumba is dead. So let's go see what's up. I don't know what's happening. Let me go check it out. $1. The mountain is not working as well. It used to work, it's no longer working.
Special photo riripo rinoda kutorwa for rizoiswa pakanaka vahwina vese huyai zvenyu pamberi zviri kuitika panapa hazvisize kunyepa zviri kuitika panapa hazvisize kunyepa huyai vatorwa mafoto vaitwa seizve ndatiwadizvi yawataura iyoyo right mokwanisa kutarisa uko kuna cameraman uko kumberi uko right vese vahwina mubayiro tambutaura tikati tichahwinisa vanhu pano vanhu vakafungidzira ndezvekunyepa master of ceremonies hatisati tatanga handiti yes aha
achiripo matisheti
anza
very much ndoda kuti mumbozorora last tambo edzo dzinenge dzichida kuadhyaswa muchiadhyasa tambo kudai kumboita zvinhu panguva inoyi hama dzinodikanwa regai ndikumbire Deputy Executive Secretary.
I am a different laws now.
So it's all about knowing your rights.
Mitemo yatitori nayo muZimbabwe yatakanyora muchidimbu uye zvinonzwisisika nemunhu wese. Saka amwe mabhuku ari muchishona amwe ari muchirungu.
So you guys, you know your rights, huh? Pane rights amunofana kuziva kodzero dzenyu ndizvo muZimbabwe. From a birth certificate kunhaka. Kore nhaka ye amuna iri muchirungu.
Chirungu rapera.
Ndipewa nge.
Matare dzimhosva uyezve she represented Harare West constituency as a member of the National Assembly for 2 terms per period year 2008.
Gender equal youth health, huh?
Yeah.
So you talk of you guys, you support the youth in terms of preventing them from HIV and stuff like that.
Yes.
So you got more condoms, then there are female condoms, huh?
Yeah.
So you give them away, huh?
Sorry?
Did you give them away?
Yeah, also give them away.
Nice.
I'm giving to those who
Sorry?
I was given to those who need them.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. You gotta visit this stand here. Gender equal youth health.
So
Very
it's
important.
SAT.
Oh, SAT.
Yeah, it's SAT. SRHR African Trust System.
So what does it mean, SAT?
So it's SRHR, which is Sexual Reproductive Health and Rights.
Sexual
Reproductive Health and Rights.
Right, Africa Trust.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice, huh? It's a good initiative. You must come and visit them here. They've got a stand here. And you can see this guy here.
All right, thank you so
Have
much.
a good day. Huh? Cheers. Huh?
We Commissioner Dr. Engineer Mduwa Baripano Zakare.
Beautiful stuff here. That is beautiful stuff, huh? And Maria. What bunch is it? What bunch? Oh, that one. It's a reasonable price. Huh? What's that? It's beautiful, huh? You know you got beautiful stuff here. So this is what?
15, I'm at 25.
21. Yeah, those who love flowers, you must come here. One of Ninongo.
Yeah.
Murugobe.
African Unit Square.
Africa Unit Square, and my fountains are sense at the moment. It should be. I mean, it's summer, if I'm not sense, and I do.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, so I'm going to support her. And this is Jason Moyo.
Yes, sir.
And Miko's Hyatt Regents Hotel. I'm a supporter of man. I'm pushing it out to Harare.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey, today it's hot. building. Just checking out 1936 building, Edward building. Another one on the corner is 1930. Yeah. Old building.
Hello?
So this is the problem with the Zimbabwe. I have $10. I can't get my change. So I'll have to wait for my change. And 25 cents yacho nditenga something. So Zimbabwe mawana tushanza ma US dollar. Tombotenga anonzi ma watermelon mwana wa Harare. Beautiful stuff here. Mfano wanga utengeza nice. So dollar per kata komana. Teach me kuno ku Harare Zimbabwe pano pa packet ya kangopfura ni pana pa muno ma 7 so tubvunza kuti mabvira vira here mfano wataura kuti mabvira vira I'm gonna end my vlog here buying watermelons here at Packet nemfano wangu santa mirra change kushandisa ma US dollar mfano ni ma US dollar akape ma US dollar anowanika mu Zimbabwe munhu wese ane ma US dollar vomana musaderere mari dollar crossing Samora Mashalabi. So that's Sikwange Motor. That's Samora. Right over. I Highlander. Yeah what? Young Ngoba. Hey, Pagaiba. Tutambarina.
Tamazan.
Chai Dynamos.
Chai Dynamos.
Bye bye.
Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you everything? 1, 2, 3, and my heart is racing. Can't fall asleep, I got my mind in a throw. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone, but a little Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you everything?